Within the Cork platform, you can upload a cyber insurance policy or quote and have our tool analyze it. It's simple. All you need to do is drag and drop a policy. If you have a client you wish to associate it with, you can select it from this list and click Analyze. This only takes about a minute or two. Once it's done analyzing, you'll be able to view the analysis quickly. It'll outline an executive summary, coverage, any risk factors, and any additional policy supplements. It'll also compare the policy against the Cork financial protection options we have. If you selected a client while uploading the policy, you'll get some additional risk factors that are associated with the type of business of that client. So for this instance, a business in the IT services sector, there's an additional risk based on the policy provided. You can go ahead and download the analysis or exit and return to it later.